Right. Let's see what happens. Right. Come on in, and you come on. Come on in, come on, then you come on. Come on in, come on. Come on, come on, come on in, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, and you come on, come on, come on. Come on, and you come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in, come on, come on. Come on in, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. There you go. That's some more in. Come on. Whoa, come on, that's more on. Come on in, and you come on, come on, come on. Come on, there we go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on in, come on. Come on, come on. I'm young in there, watch it. Come on in, and you come on. Come on. Come on, and you come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on in, and you come on. Come on. I've never come through the bomb wires after some of them. Come on, come on. Come on in, come on. There you are, they're getting a bit stronger. Come on in, come on. Hey, watch this. There we go. I've got a new floor in here. I've just done it about half an hour ago. You know what, I was fed up with the scraping the flare, stop, start, I got fed up with that, so I've just put a brand new flare down on this loft. Yeah, perfect. And I've got a proper loft hoover anyway to scrape the flares out, so make life easy for yourself, you know. That's what I'm all about. There you go, there's my younger Joe. Go on in, and you come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on in, he's one in. Come on 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 in. There we go. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on in, and you come on. Come on in, and you come on. Come on in, and you come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, and you come in. Come on. Come on in. I didn't want them to get out after they've been fed, that's what it is, and there's a couple of latecomers. Come on, and you come on. Come on. Come on in, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's it, they're all in. That's it, they're all in. Whew. There you go, so there you go, that's my team now. All I've got to do now is put in some fresh grit for them. So, there's a wee fella in here that doesn't look too hot. Where is he? It's a wee blue. It's a wee blue. Come on in, come on, come on. I'll just keep feeding them until they've had their rough. That's it, they've only been out 20 minutes and back in again, so that's all they need. Playing about, that's what they were doing there before I just decided to get them in. They were up and down, they were flying round about the house, they were back up on the roof, they were way up in the sky and they came back down again. So they're all still here and that's good. That's what I'm worried about. I was just saying what I was doing though. Come on in, come on. Let's see what he's like with the rest of this thing. Come on, come on, come on in, come on. Come on in, come on, come on in, come on. There we go, there we go. Come on, come on. There we go. Aye, so the flavour's 100%, a lot better, a lot better. Far easier to scrape and clean out. Oh, it's in my head in, honestly, I was doing my head and stop, start with the scraper. I got fed up with such that. I'm going to cut a new floor down. So, I'm going to do the rest with the, I'm going to do the same with the rest of my loft, so I'm going to put these boards down. Anyway, come on, come on, come on. Yay! Come on guys. That's a very big team. There's 27 pigeons in here. 27, so do you know what? See this team here? This is my first team. This is team number 1. I've got one more member to bring through that she's nearly fully feathered, so he's due to come through, so there'll be 28 in here. That's my first team. Now I've got 25 in the middle hat and 5, there's 30. I've already got 30 babies, just no long hatched. A week, 2 weeks, 2 or 3 days. But that's me got it now, that's me got my 2 teams. Yeah. Come on then, come on. Right then, I'll catch you all on the next video guys. Cheery cheery.